The next item under Rules and Groups is Exceptions. This is where you'll be able to pull up your exceptions report and look at the exceptions or rule violations that have occurred. Once you've chosen the date period, select whether you want to run the report by vehicle or driver if you're using driver ID. Select the vehicles that you want to include in the report, and then select the rules that you want to view. Click Apply Changes, and the report will populate to your screen. Here we see the vehicle selected, how long the exceptions occurred by time and mileage, as well as the number of exceptions that have occurred. You can download this report, customize it, and upload it back into the system if it's a set of conditions that you would want to look at on a regular basis.